There's Rob. It's like things are happening. It's December 5th, I believe. Got the roofers here today, and there's Rob. Roofers hard at work.
Three and an eighth.
Oh, hi. Never mind me. I'm not in the way, am I? Thank you. No. What's all this activity down there?
Well, last night, or at the end of yesterday, we cut into a water line that was buried underneath the foundation of this old building, and based on information given to us by a trace study that the city did for us, we cut into a water line, and it wasn't what we thought it was. It actually fed our neighbor's house.
So Jack's gonna have to drink. He's gonna have to drink beer now.
So the city came in to turn off the water, and they knew that they have a faulty valve in the street out there, and they were not able to turn the water off.
Oh,
and
really?
so we patched the line, and then they came in this morning.
Yeah.
And I think they froze with liquid nitrogen, froze the water line, and then they were able to put a shutoff valve on that water line. Now they're going back out to the street.
That's what they're doing here right now?
They're going to pull a new copper line through the ground.
Oh, really?
A flexible copper line, as opposed to the rigid which was in the line.
So has this delayed your plans for construction any?
It actually has not.
Oh, it hasn't?
No.
I guess Rob is still working, yeah.
I've lost a few brain cells over it, but I'm okay.
This is part of the plan though, right?
Well, if we didn't have one thing that kind of like was exciting, it wouldn't have been a real construction project.
I know, I like all this activity here. Well, thank you.
Everything happens at once, though.
If there's a problem, just...
It's you. Is that what happened back here? You caused all that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
How tall I am. Measure the height.
It looks like you're about 78 inches high.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's like.
No,
6
he's
foot
78
4.
inches short.
I'm 6'4". See that?
Is that why the
don't get that. Don't film the man behind the mirror.
This is the main juncture for the upstairs.
This is called a manifold.
This is the manifold. Oh, this is the manifold.
And it connects one of the zones of the radiant floor heating system, which is these two areas, the solariums, which is what I call them, to the manifold, which connects it directly to the pump and thermostat downstairs, or not the thermostat's up here, but it connects it to the pump downstairs, which connects it to the solar hot water storage tank. So when the thermostat says it's cold up here, and it tells the pump to start pumping hot water up through the manifold and into this zone. This is solar mass. Yeah. Passive solar collector, meaning that the sun's going to shine on it and heat up the concrete, and then later on that night, when it's cooler, the concrete's going to let its heat go into the space. Okay. Also, it has a radiant floor heating in there, so the concrete will absorb the heat from the radiant floor heating and also emanate the heat into the space. So there's a dual purpose for the concrete. It's like
this is the plumber.
He's a real smart guy.
But how do you do plumbing when you're rocking out to whatever, Motley Crue, or what are you listening to? Motley Crue.
Panting.
No, it's Yanni.
It's called Dirt Rap.
Dirt Rap.
Well, all I gotta say is, plumbers drool and carpenters rule.
Insulating. So we're insulating all the walls today, right?
We're using a closed cell high density foam, which gives you the maximum R value for an isonine foam. So he's doing all the exterior walls.
There he is.
There he is.
There's the man.
So he probably explained it better than I could, but
you're foaming the walls. I'm filming this. Yep. Can I take a little video of you doing it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're more than welcome to.
Let's go in there. So this is already drying.
You could talk about it a little bit if you want.
Yeah, well, it's just a closed cell polyurethane foam, R7.14 per inch.
Well, what we did, we photographed every space on the wall, so we know where everything is. So if we
okay, we've got a lot of insulation now in the building. Insulators came yesterday and they sprayed